Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade with Sprite. This simple recipe combines the tartness of fresh lemons with the sweet fizz of Sprite, creating a delightful and easy-to-make beverage. You will only need a few basic ingredients and about 10 minutes of your time to prepare this refreshing drink. It is perfect for any occasion, offering a quick and delicious alternative to traditional lemonade. To begin, prepare your lemons for juicing. Rolling each lemon firmly on a countertop before cutting helps to break down the membranes inside, allowing you to extract more juice. Then, carefully cut each lemon in half and use a citrus reamer or a manual juicer to extract all the liquid. Finally, strain the fresh lemon juice through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a smooth, seed-free base for your lemonade. Now, let's create the concentrated lemon base. In a pitcher, combine the freshly strained lemon juice with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Stir this mixture vigorously for at least 1 minute, ensuring that all the sugar completely dissolves into the lemon juice. This step is crucial for a balanced flavor. Taste the base and add a little more sugar if you prefer a sweeter lemonade. For the final step, it is time to combine everything. Carefully pour the lemon and sugar mixture into a large serving pitcher. Then, slowly add about 2 liters of chilled Sprite to the pitcher, allowing the fizz to settle. Stir the entire mixture gently to combine the flavors without losing too much carbonation. Serve your homemade Sprite lemonade immediately over ice, garnished with a fresh lemon slice for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.